am so excited. I just purchased a new laptop. I haven't had a laptop in a long time. I'm so used to working on desktops that I got me a Lenovo laptop. So I'm going to unbox my laptop. I'm going to play some music for you guys and see how this goes. Not trying to narrate through the whole video because it can become boring. But you guys will see how the setup is, how the screens look once you go through the different steps to set it up. And it's pretty self-explanatory. You'll see where the different areas on the laptop where you can connect devices. You'll see, and how the screen works. I love the fact that there's a little cover at the top of the ledge of the laptop where you can have the camera on, off, like you can slide it over if you don't want to be seen, or you can open it up to where you can be seen. So this is another reason why I was drawn to getting this laptop, because I want the flexibility of being able to talk without being seen, or I want the flexibility of being seen, you know, so I like to have choices. So you guys will really enjoy this this video, and it really helps if you bought you this type of computer, because I think I made a good choice.
Why is your old roommate broken?
Something he's doing for science class. Yeah! I found it! The original Karen! Yeesh. Looks like the potatoes gone rotten. Like our relationship.
What about this guy?
Well, great catching up with you, Ruby, old buddy. SpongeBob! Now I know how to stop Karen's madness. All I need to do is get into the chug bucket's basement. Let's roll!
Are these flyers?
That's carbonated! Handsome gas. Now put it back.
Okie dokie. Ooh. Hey, Plankton, is this a flyer?
No! That's... Please slide.
Here you go. It's a banana.
No!
How about this thing?
Don't you touch that!
Don't touch what? Whoa.
That freeze ray tank was our first attempt at world domination.
Oh, so you are still working together. We could be getting crowded.
We were two evil partners, ready to take over the world.
Freeze Ray was such a success, we decided to supersize it. Yes.
Overthrown sense of self-importance, pre-observation with fantasies of power, disregarding for others, instability to handle criticism. It's not all about there! It's not! Are you guys superheroes?
Of course not.
Already almost finished.
Welcome for Uptown Getaway, where there's nothing but relaxation, conversation, and a touch of class.
What? You gotta try this brown water. Wow, I love it!
I know that. And what tarnation did you do to our friend Karen?
Yeah, when is she so angry? And why does she have 4 heads?
SpongeBob, help me! Back me up!
Why don't you help yourself to some of this stuff? I love it.
It is your fault Karen turned into a monster.
I bet you never even liked her.
That's not true! SpongeBob, psychoanalyze me. They gotta hear this.
My mind is processing complex equations, and I can see infinity.
Fine, I'll hypnotize myself. Karen and I, we're totally in love. Smells like this batch of chum is just about ready to be served to the public, carry cakes.
Try some, my little Frankie Pooh. So, how does it taste?
Like boiled death. It's perfect!
John
Oh, I almost forgot. I got a new computer mod inside.